In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify website quickly and easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store from the left menu. Then, select Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. Inside the editor, you can easily change different parts of your website, including your logo, homepage banners, colors, fonts, layouts, buttons, and featured products. To update your logo, simply click on the header section and upload your new brand logo. For colors and fonts, head into Theme Settings, where you can customize your store's overall design to match your brand identity. You can also edit pages like your home page, contact page, and product pages by selecting different sections inside the theme editor. If you want to add new content, click Add Section to insert banners, image galleries, videos, featured collections, testimonials, and more. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save to publish the updates to your live Shopify website. Thanks for watching.